We're going to clean a Fujitsu mini split heat pump today. We're starting at just a little past 8 o'clock, and we've taken down a curtain rod. Here's the inside unit.
Anybody should know how to take this off if you own it, so we'll lift that up at least. But yeah, the very first thing we do is the electrical. Difficulties, that's an easy access to it. Just like that. Just leave this on the floor or something here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws on the front, and then there's 3 on the bottom here that are covered, but you gotta kind of take that out. So that's kind of what I'm doing right now, is taking out the screws.
This is mini split cleaner we're going to be putting in.
Yep.
Foaming evaporator cleaner.
And then the rest is on the front here, so gotta get underneath here since it's a hard to reach space. So I try to make sure I definitely get the top here, since gravity works everything down, so if you at least focus on the top, it'll pull anything through as we clean the other stuff. So typically you don't have to spray as much, but where you've had yours for 5 years and it hasn't been cleaned, I'm just kind of making sure we clean it. So I've already sprayed all the coils and everything up there. So this is the blower wheel. That's where a lot of it likes to collect dirt and everything else that's dirty. So this is just try to focus right on the blower wheel. Give it a light spray. But then this, I just kind of work my way down and make sure I cover everything. And so we'll get it from this angle and I'll flip it over and do the other angle. So this, kind of just get each thing going down. Look at that. And then the top here. Then once I do both sides, I kind of try to open it up and just get in between real quick. Try to make sure we get all these joints. And again, just get that. And kind of just, almost like the inside, we just let it kind of settle. I just try to get kind of the, I guess the perimeter of where the door would be. Under that, over here. And then definitely in here where the screens slide into. On the bottom, you can kind of see it likes to collect there. The filters too, instead of replacing them every time. And then this, the top here, this is kind of hard. You have to hit it at the angle and then go the other way just to make sure you actually get all of it.
The battery-powered water sprayer.
So the screens, I just like to get the back side and then the front. Where we've sprayed it with the cleaner, it's broken down everything, anything that was on there. So this, I mean, as you rinse it should look pretty clean. Just the last step is drying it, so. I'll just flip it just to be sure. Filled with moisture right now, so I'm just making sure I get that. And then just pinch it a little bit.
Really nice.
Yeah. Yeah, I did the outside, or the kind of the front side. Now I'm just kind of taking care of the back side of
Oh,
the
this part looks like new. Nice job.
Thank you.
We're doing the outside unit now.
Much on top, so it's kind of where the fan sits. I try to make sure I get up and around where the fan is. And then definitely the center right there, that's kind of where the most dirt settles in. And then you can see the stuff we sprayed up top has made its way through, so leaves and stuff like to build up here, and this is still pretty clear, but it's kind of how I do it. This kind of helps you reach it too.
This is a water flush of all the cleaner. This is a small battery-powered pressure washer. This is the dirt that's coming out so far.
We're about to spray it, so. Vertical. Try to make sure I get the fins that go side to side.
So the cleaning that came out.
Dirty.
Yeah, that was clean water a minute ago.
And turn the fan all the way up.
Using the fan mode to blow out the water.
Yeah, there's a little like velvet thing that goes across here, so I kind of like squeeze it out real quick. That way I can get my fingers up in here and get.
These are the filters. They look like new.
Kind of helps with the sun helping to dry. That's why I like to get most of it before I kind of let it set. It helps prevent mold, like a mold control substance.
So it's a deodorizer that you go on afterwards with?
Yep. So yeah, you definitely make sure you get the blower weight. Yours look pretty good, but I mean, it never hurts to be safe, so.
It's the bib finally coming off, and it's been just about, I guess, 1 hour. One last look at what came out. I'm glad it's gone.
Pointing up or out as much as you can, then you'll kind of see that. Make sure it squeezes around that. So this, you kind of line up this bottom part with all this first, and then try to tuck in the top a little bit. See this one and this one right here, that's where these little arms like to reach into. You kind of just make sure they slide in. And as long as you can hold it up, you can just click that up. And then the other one. And there's this little kickstand right here. Kind of hard to get out sometimes, but it also clicks in up there and it will hold the door for you. And sometimes there's screws here or not, and this one came with them, so I'll put them back. Key part with RLS2 is you want this door secure. So these logos, we just kind of go thumbs inside and just push at the same time. So when you're all set with this, there is still some moisture up there, so I like to switch it on to heat mode.
Okay.
And the fan's still already all the way up, and it's at 76. So we just like to take care of it. We go all the way up to 88. And you run it 5 or 10 minutes, maybe even longer, and it helps dry it out. So that way the moisture that's in there actually gets out.
Looks like this took about an hour and 15 minutes, and looks like new. Thank you, Dustin. Very nice.
You're
Appreciate
welcome.
it.